आमी कॅरेज पळयता हाचेर आनी हाचो हेतू आनी म्हत्व ह्या वर्सा मिरवणुकेन ती भितर काडूंक कसले ताचेर आमी धाकटुलोसो एक नियाळ करतले आमच्या भाव पांतले आनी एक बऱ्या बुकान आपणाच्या बरयल्ल्या बुकान हाची विविध जाणविकाय आमकां दिल्या जेन्ना आमच्या हातान हें पुस्तक पडटलें तेन्ना ताची मोत आनी जाणविकाय आमकां मेळटली पूण मानाचो स्वाद आयच्या दिसा हे मिरवणूक दिवंक आमची ही खोशी देखून हेच पुरगटूंक ही कॅरेज वो आमी म्हणटा पुरसांवाची गाडी आज आमी उजार करता.
A remarkable and unique feature of today's solemn exposition is the introduction of an elevated carriage, a first in Goa's history for this sacred occasion in 2024. This specially designed carriage will bear the holy relic of St. Francis Xavier, carried with devotion in a majestic procession. In previous years, the relic was carried on the shoulders of a few. However, this elevated carriage allows everyone the opportunity to gaze upon the relic as it moves through the procession, fostering a sense of inclusion and shared reverence. Its elevated position also symbolizes the profound awe and honor we extend to the miraculous and divine presence of this great saint, making this a truly historic moment in the Exposition's tradition.
जेन्ना ही बाग्योन फ्रांसीस शावेराची रेलीक उंच उबारतले ही रुप्याची पेट आनी आरशाचे काशेवांत आसलोली ताची रेलीक सगल्यांची नदर ताचेर पडच्याक आनी खरो मान आनी दोबाचो फावो करच्याक ती उंच गाडयेर दवरतल्यात. ही गाडी सवकासायेन मिरवणुकेंत चलून वेतली. भाग्यवंत फ्रांसीस शावेराची रेलिकेची आमचेर नदर घालून ताचे दर्शन घेवया आनी आमची आत्मिकताय वाडोवया.
The order of the procession will be as follows. The procession will begin with the altar servers, followed by representatives of Apostolates Association, St. Francis Academy, DOPV, SJEVES, representative for migrants, ABE, Caritas Goa, Pastoral Secretariat, DYC, Ecology, DCL, Interreligious Dialogue, Diocesan Communication, DHM Nirmala Nawaz Pancham, Ecumenism, DSE, Interreligious Dialogue, CSJP, Biblical Apostolate, VCDC, Diocesan Family Service Center, followed by deanery representatives, Kalango Deanery, Seoli, Panjim, Mormugao, Benaulim, etc. Followed by the lay movements associations, Legion of Mary, SSVP, Apostolate of Widows, Regional Animator of Teachers, World Marriage Encounter, World Apostolate of Fatima, MFC, St. Luke's Medical Guild Representative, DCMA, Catholic Charismatic Renewal, DLA, CFM, Catholic Nurses Guild. They will be followed by the ecclesiastical representatives of Rashol Seminary, Pilar Seminary, the Palatine, Saligaon Seminary, and Mater Dei. Followed by them will be the religious women, seminarians, priests in cassocks or albs, bishops, angels, the carriage, and the presider. A significant aspect of today's procession is the presence of His Eminence Archbishop Patriarch Philip Neri Cardinal Ferrand, who will preside over the event. In a gesture of reverence and humility, he will walk behind the carriage, accompanying the sacred relic of St. Francis Xavier. Adding to the solemnity and grandeur of the occasion, the procession will feature a spectacular brass band composed of over 100 musicians. Their harmonious melodies will glorify God, celebrating the gift of this holy saint to our faith and to the land of Goa.
मागता आमचे ऑल्टर सर्वस आसा तांच्यांनी मिरवणुकेंत आपणाची जागो घेवंक भायर सरूंक त्याच बरोबर जे कोण प्रतिनिधी आसात लौकीक खात्यांचे तांच्यांनी भितर सरचे पुरसांवाचे वाटेक सरचे म्हूण मागता. I request all the priests and seminarians to be seated wherever you are, as and when your names are called, you will be joining the procession. Officials. We request the priest to please move to your left and make a way to yourself to join the procession. If I may please request the altar servers to move little further than where you are. Mashe altar servers lagi magta mukar veche tumi asa tuisan mashe mukar veche. All those who are here and who have been not given the badges, the lanyards, are requested not to break in the human chain and join the procession. It was meticulously prepared for the sake of a spiritual endeavorance, that all those who are wearing the lanyards or the badges, only those are going to join in the procession. We humbly request, if there is anyone who is trying to break into the human chain, please avoid doing so. It will really miss the point that we are trying to communicate to you. Wait. Yes, you're right. I request the seminarians and the sisters to please join the procession. Dear priests, brothers, please make a way for our sisters to join the procession. I request all our priest brothers to kindly allow our sisters to join in the procession, because you will be joining just before the carriage. मागता ऑल्टर सर्विस आसात ते जे आमची पुरुसां मुखार लीड करतात तांचे लागीं मातशें मुखार वचूंक, कित्याक हांगा बाजिलिकाच्या दारा लागीं खेट जायना जावच्या. If there is any volunteer there who is looking after the procession, kindly take note of this. Just move forward our altar service as far as possible, because there will be chaos at the gate if it is not taken little further. I request our volunteers to hold on the exit from the basilica, because all those who are to join the procession have not yet completed their joining. So I kindly request those who are carrying the relic of Saint Francis Xavier to hold on for a while, as those who are asked to join the procession, the line has not been completed. तरी पूण मागता जे कोण मुखार आसात आमचे ऑल्टर सर्विसांक फुडाकार दितात तांच्यांनी मातशें मुखार वचूंक. And I request all the sisters to please move faster, to join the procession.
Requesting all those bearing the relic to kindly hold on. Our Reverend Sisters are trying their best to move as fast as they can into the procession. Kindly hold on to the relic. As soon as our Reverend Sisters move out, our priests will follow. If we can do whatever in our power to let our sisters move faster, the entire thing will move faster. Requesting the door of the basilica to remain closed till all have moved forward into the procession.
I request those who are at the entrance of the basilica to make way for our priests to join the procession. And maybe in 3 lines, priests could join the procession. Seminarians, please follow the sisters as quick as possible.
Also requesting the people gathered there to kindly make way for the last of the nuns and the following priests. Volunteers, please make a little more way for the priests to move out.
Father Henry is there, and please make another way where Father Henry is there. All right, that's fine. Just only one left. Can we have those who are obstructing the way where our priests are joining the procession to broaden the way so that our priests can easily and faster join the procession?
Francisco de Jasso y Azpilicueta, later known as Francis Xavier, was born on April 7, 1506 in Navarre, Spain, into a noble Basque family and was the youngest of 5 children. From an early age, Francis showed a keen intellect and a vibrant spirit, growing up amid the tensions between Spain and France that influenced the region. This formative period was crucial as it laid the foundation for his future mission work.
Saint Francis Xavier's modest upbringing nurtured in him a spirit of resilience and adaptability.